Welcome all of you. It is a problem of NCERT example. Okay. Now you try to understand what is basically the difference between the NCERT exercise and NCERT exemplar. Some advanced type of problem is discussed in the NCERT exemplar. Here it is said that the size of an image of an object by a mirror. Which type of mirror, concave or convex, is not declared here. Since it is under the section of the spherical mirror, so I consider that the mirror that it is talked about here, that is either concave or convex, but nothing is declared now. The first point, having the focal length 20 centimeter. So just think, if it is a concave mirror, the focal length is minus 20 centimeter. If it is a convex mirror, the focal length is plus 20 centimeter, depending on that. Is observed to be reduced to 1/3 of its size. Now it is an interesting thing. When I obtain that image, the image is diminished. One thing it is clear to us that when I place an object in front of a convex mirror, from the previous lectures it is clear to you, for a convex mirror always the image is an virtual and it is diminished. So it is no problem. It may be a convex mirror, but there is another one possibility. The possibility is that if you place the object from infinity to center of curvature in that section of a concave mirror, you will get a diminished image in between the focus and the center of curvature. So nothing is cleared here. Okay. So two possibilities are here. At what distance the object has been placed from the mirror? So here basically asking it that the object distance, what is the nature of the image and the mirror. So obviously here what is thus, we cannot say anything definitely. It is not told that the object is appear to diverge or object can be observed. It is also not declared. It is also not declared that the image is taken on the screen. Then we will confirm that the image that is obtained here, it is a real image. Then we say that the mirror that is here, it is a concave mirror. So nothing is declared. So very important problem it is. So maybe it have two answers or not, that we will get after the calculations, but I will just take two possibilities. The first possibility is that the mirror is a concave mirror, okay, and the image that is formed, it is a real image. But taking into this considerations, if I put forward my idea, then what will be the result? Let us see. So it is a concave mirror of focal length 20 centimeters. So the mirror is something like this. It is a concave mirror. Principal axis of the mirror, pole of the mirror, okay, focal length of the mirror, center of curvature of the mirror. From here to here, this distance, it is declared that it is 20 centimeter, okay, and from here to here it is 40 centimeter. So if I want to say the same thing in terms of the numbers, we can say if we place the object in between the infinity and the 40 centimeter, in that range, the image will be formed in between F and C, and we will get the real image, and that image is an inverted one, and that image is a diminished one also, because it is said that the size of the image of an object is reduced to 1/3 of the size of the object. So I can write down here that size of the image I equal to 1/3 of that of O. Okay, 1/3 of that of O. At first I consider that the images that are obtained in case of concave mirror, if it is a real image, then if I is on the upside, O is on the downside. If I is placed like this, then O will be formed like this way. Okay, O will form on the downside of the mirror. I is placed like this, object is placed like this, image will be formed like this way. So it is on the downside like this way. Clear? So this is the thing. So if it is, then I can say if I is taken as positive, then according to sign convention applies us that O is negative. Okay, O is negative. If we just try to get the values without using the sign convention, what it gives us? I by O equal to 1/3. I by O equal to 1/3. What is this I by O? This I by O is magnification. So I can say this minus I by O, because there is a minus sign. So this minus I by O gives us, it is V divided by U, because I by O equal to minus of V by U. So V by U equal to 1/3. So from here V equal to U by 3. V equal to U by 3, or you can say U equal to 3V. We have only one information, that is the focal length is 20 centimeter. So you can write down this thing, focal length is minus 20 centimeter according to our sign convention. Okay. Now if I write down the equation of the mirror, 1 by V plus 1 by U equal to 1 by F, and what it gives? V equal to U by 3. So I can write this thing as 3 by U. Okay, and 1 by U is placed it at U. 1 by F is minus 20. Here if I take, it is a concave mirror, the mirror is a real image, mirror is an inverted one, then U is obviously negative. If U is negative, this thing is also negative. If I apply the sign convention here, if it is, then what it gives actually, 4 by U equal to 1 by 20. 4 by U equal to 1 by 20. So from here U equal to 80 centimeter. Is it satisfied? The question is it satisfied? The object is placed at a distance 80 centimeter. Here the value comes out. Then if I take the sign convention, U equal to minus 80 centimeter and V equal to minus of 80 divided by 3 centimeter. So what it will be, if I calculate these things, it will be 3 into 2, 6. So 26 point something, 26 point something centimeter. So this is the distance of V. So whatever I have calculated here, is it actually similar to that of the approach that we have dealt with? Just see, the object is placed at 80 centimeter from the mirror. The object is placed 40 centimeter is the center of curvature. It is placed at 80 centimeter. So the object is placed in between the infinity and the center of curvature of this concave mirror. and the images will be obtained at 26.6, that is in between the focus and the center of curvature. That is real and inverted one. If I say the object is somewhere here, the image will be somewhere here. So the first possibility if I take, then the object should be placed at a distance 80 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. What is the nature of the image? The nature of the image here is real. And the mirror, what is the nature of the mirror? The nature of the mirror is concave mirror. But there is another one possibility. How can I omit this thing? There is another one possibility. Okay, if I take this possibility, I can take this possibility because it is just said that the image is 1/3 of the size of that of the object. It is not said that the image is at the same side as that of the object or image is at the opposite side of that of the object. Here what I have done by considering the image is at the opposite side that of the object. Now I consider image and object are at the same side. Then at which case the object is in greater size than that of the image, or the image is diminished. In concave mirror it is not possible, because if you just push if it is the mirror, if you just push the object towards it, okay, after crossing the center of curvature, the image becomes enlarged. If you cannot get my point, you just look the previous videos. The concave mirror, I have given analysis of the concave mirror. We just look that video. If you get my point, then it is okay. Otherwise, you just look at this video. I think that will be clear to you. If we just push the object towards the mirror after crossing the center of curvature, the image that is obtained, that is starts, becomes magnified more and it becomes larger than that of the object. Okay, but here the image that is obtained, it is 1/3 that of the size. So using the concave mirror, this type image formation is not possible if the object is placed in between the center of curvature and the pole. It is not possible. It is only possible in the case that is the infinity and center of curvature. If I place the object, then we get the image in between the center of curvature and the focus, that we have done now. Now there is another one mirror that is known to us, that is a convex mirror. So just see, it is a convex mirror. It is an convex mirror. Principal axis, center of curvature, focus. Now if I place the object somewhere here, because you know that in case of a convex mirror there are only two sections, the object can be placed either infinity or in between the infinity and pole. Okay, so where the object should be placed, that we are going to see. But before that, if I say that I and O are at the same side as that of the principal axis, so if I place O here, then the I should be somewhere here, and the image is virtual in case of a convex mirror always. So if I is positive, O is also taken as positive, then it is 1/3 O. At that time we can say that is V by U minus equal to 1/3, because I by O equal to 1/3, M equal to I by O equal to minus V by U. So I just place that case. If I write down here, I by O equal to 1/3, I by O equal to M, magnification, M equal to minus V by U, so it is equal to 1/3. So from here V equal to minus of 3 by U. The object should be placed always in front of the mirror. So u is always negative. Okay, whatever be the value of u is always negative. If u is negative, then v should be positive. So if I write down the equation of the length, then 1 by v plus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. If I consider the u is negative, it is minus. If I place minus u here, then it will be 3u. Then it will be 3u plus 1 by f. At that time, focus on this side. What is the value of the focus? The focus is 20 centimeter, and obviously it is positive. At that case, it is 3u. It is 1. It is minus 3. 1 by 20. So from here, if I calculate 3u equal to 20 into minus of 2, 20 into minus of 2 equal to 3u. So from here, u equal to minus of 40 divided by 3. If I place u equal to minus of 40 divided by 3, then it is minus of 40 divided by 3, so it is somewhere at 40 centimeter. So this is the thing that we have obtained here. Okay, so in case of convex mirror, if I place the object at a distance minus 40 by 3 meter in front of the mirror, we get the image at 40 centimeter. Now just think, is this correct? What I have done here, is it correct? You tell me. What is the focal length of the convex mirror? 20 centimeter. What is the radius of curvature of the convex mirror? 40 centimeter. Where the image is formed at the center of curvature. But if I place the object at infinity or in between infinity and c, where the image we obtain, in between the O and F, in between the pole and the focus, where do you obtain the image? At 40 centimeter, at the point of center of curvature. So you tell me, is it correct? So I have taken two possibilities from the beginning. Which one possibility satisfies all the thing and which one is not? I think you know this thing. Thank you all.